My loneliness is a memory of childhood neglect. But now my adult self is there for the child. I do activities and travels and share that with the child. I will enjoy my alone time. You can be in solitude and perfectly whole and fine. Your spirit is complete. I have a space that cannot be invaded. If I am so fine with myself, I won't care if I'm alone. Be your own best friend. Be your own caregiver. I can be happy with what I've got. I need solitude and silence to read and memorize and comprehend. Solitude can provide a much-needed break from the hustle and bustle of daily life, allowing for quiet reflection and a sense of calm. When alone, you have the freedom to do exactly what you want, without the constraints of others' expectations or demands. In cool solitude, I am content with who I am, and I have humor about who I am. Solitude gives us precious space and time to slow down, see, and appreciate all the things in our lives that we have to be thankful for. Practice gratitude for what you already have. Without others around us, we can also be our best self. No one to trigger us, no distractions, just you being you. I can be alone because I value the only companion I will have from birth to death, myself. The Buddha found happiness in solitude by detaching from worldly desires and embracing stillness. Mindfulness, meditation is best done in solitude. Buddha was best in solitude when he released unnecessary thoughts and just connected with the breath and found solace in the present moment. Solitude can help. By detaching from worldly desires, the Buddha could experience a sense of liberation and happiness. Solitude allowed the Buddha to practice mindfulness and meditation, which helped him to cultivate inner peace. In solitude, you try to find happiness within yourself. Create a personal universe that excites you because your own mind is limitless. For example, in solitude you can read articles that are about topics that interest you. So you can nurture your inner world without depending on others. Instead of looking for external distractions, you start finding satisfaction in your internal universe. A rich internal life can be a refuge. Let books become your companions. In solitude, I have freedom. I have freedom to improve myself. Am I using my solitude time for good things and self-development?